Hi everyone, welcome to another class in the Common Idioms series. So here are a few more common idioms. There are a few phrasal verbs mixed in, but don't worry about classifying the categories. The important thing is to be able to use them in everyday speech. Cat got your tongue? Why aren't you talking more? What's the matter? Cat got your tongue? Play second fiddle. To be less important. I hate playing second fiddle to my manager. She always takes the credit. Carry out something. To do something or accomplish something. The doctor carried out several tests before discussing the results. Figure out someone or something. To try to understand or solve something. He finally figured out how to connect the PC to the security system. Make a difference. To cause a change in a situation. It doesn't make any difference whether our boss comes to the meeting or not. Keep someone or something in mind. To remember and think about someone or something. I told Elisa to keep the new store location in mind. Come up. To happen unexpectedly. I'll not be able to go to the party if something else comes up. Come up with something. To produce a thought, idea, or answer. I tried to come up with a name for the new magazine. To not see the wood for the trees. To be so involved with the details that you don't get the most important facts. She always argues about the silliest things. It's like she can't see the wood for the trees. Up a creek without a paddle. In an unlucky or bad situation. If you can't pay for the repairs, then you're up a creek without a paddle, because I won't fix your car. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.